Hello friends, welcome to Anirban's World of Digital Finance powered by S4HANA. I am Anirban and today in this video I am going to post a essay document. So first I am going to go to SAP login. This is the SAP login icon and I am going to log into SAP ECC with my login ID. I'll enter my password. So this is SAP Easy Access screen. Here I'm going to post a essay entry. So if I have already posted a few entries here, if you see, these are the postings that I have already made, and I'm going to post number 4 and 5 now for your reference. So I've already posted other documents. I'm going to post 4 and 5 for your reference. So here what is happening is that we are actually getting cash for rendering professional services. So we are getting professional fees. So the cash account would be debited and professional fees account would be credited, right? And this is the reference field which I'm going to enter 9012. All right. So if you go to the back to the SAP screen, the T code for this entry would be, if you go here, the T code for this entry would be FB50. So if I go to FB50, if I type in FB50, this will take me to this screen. All right. What I'll do is that I will hide the tree because I don't need the tree as of now. Later on, I would need it. The same thing, I can come through the menu as well. So I go out and again I'll show you how to come through the menu. So I have to click on accounting. I have to click on financial accounting, general ledger, document entry, and this enter GL document. If I click here again, I'll go to the same FB50 screen. If you want to know how you can reach what is the shortcut key to reach to this particular screen, if you click here, you see the transaction code FB50. This is what you have to enter to come to this screen. Now I am going to post this particular entry, cash account debit to professional fees account, 10,000 rupees. So I will enter the document data as the posting date. And if you notice that I am actually into 34 company code, I'll enter the reference number what I have actually thought of entering. It is 9012. And then I'll enter the document header text as professional fees received, professional fees. Right, and then I'll come to the GL account. So GL account, I have already configured the GL account. This is how you have to select the GL account. To go here and to click enter. See, I have already configured professional fees account. So this would be debited. Sorry, this should be created, professional fees account. And the amount that we have thought of taking is 10,000 rupees. You further go here and you enter the text, professional fees received. Now you come back here and now you have to pass the cash line item. So you again select cash general ledger has already been configured. The configuration stage 200 101. All right, and so cash account debit because we are receiving cash. And here if you do give a star, it will copy this 10,000. And similarly in text, if you give a plus sign, it will take the same text from the previous line. All right, so with this we will simulate and see how it looks like. before we post. So this is how it looks like. Document date is mentioned and company code is mentioned, posting date is mentioned, and if you see the period is 01. Why? Because the April month, so we have actually considered that our fiscal year would be from April to March. So April, since April is the first month of the fiscal year, so it is showing 01. So we are actually posting this in period 01, which is April. And we see here that cash account is debited and professional fees account credited. If you see 40, the posting key 40 stands for debit, and posting key 50 stands for credit, right? So with this we post the document. It generates a document number, and this we can populate in our master sheet for our future reference. It's taking some time. All right, let's okay. So this one is done. This one is posted. Now I will show you another way of posting the AC document. Um, so this one we have posted by AFB50. There is another way of posting the AC document, which is like AF-02. So what we will do here is, we have to go out of this and then we will come to general posting. So this is another layout of entering essay document. So if I, and the T code for that would be F-02, right? So this is another way, another layout of entering the essay document. The effect will be the same, right? So I will again go back and come to the menu as well. So this is accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document entry, and then this is a general posting. If you see the T code here, the transaction code is F-02. All right. So what we are going to post here is, we are going to post this document, bank account debit to cash account. So we are actually depositing the cash of 1 lakh rupees to bank. All right. And here we are going to populate the reference of 1, 2, 3, 4. So going back to SAP, we will we will take the document date as the posting date. If you see the period, it is also showing 1 here because we are posting in the month of April, and our fiscal year is April to March. So the reference number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Document header text, we will say cash deposited. Now this 40, if you see 40 is a debit entry. So 40 is a debit entry, which means that the bank account should be debited with 40. So if we go here, we select the bank account, which is already being configured. So we take HDFC Bank, right? And we hit enter, we go to the next screen. Now we are actually deposited 1 lakh rupees. All right. And the text is cash deposited to bank. excuse me, excuse me, right? And then we will have to select a credit key. If you go back here, this is a credit entry 50, and we will select the cash account because the cash is getting deposited to bank, so cash account would be credited. All right, I hit enter. Value date, we will give today's date. And the amount we will put star. It will pull the previous amount, and then the text we will put plus here because it will pull the previous text, and we are done. And then we will go to the document overview, and this is how the document looks like. We'll see that the document date is 9/4/2021, type is SA, period is 1. So HDFC bank account is getting debited and cash account is getting credited. So if you post this document, it will generate a document number, and if you see previously that it was posted 6, document number generated was 6, and this is 7. So what we will do is that we will take this and we will change this to 7. So this is how you post essay document in FB50 and F-02. I hope you like this video. If you like, please like the video and subscribe the channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and please share with your friends. Thank you.